Hey, good morning. My name is Brian, and I'd like to welcome you to my N-scale model railroad layout named the D&RGW Iron Horse Route. If you're not familiar with scale, here is a nickel next to one of my locomotives. If you're a model railroader, you're interested in model railroading, or think you might become interested in model railroading, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'm going to be uploading some how-to videos, some how-not-to videos, some how I do videos, probably some more how-not-to videos. Document the progression of my layout and the expansion, as well as, and more importantly, I want to do some live streams in the evenings when I'm working on my layout. And I want to do that for the purpose of having an open live chat where myself and other model railroaders can communicate. So if you're interested in any of those things, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I look forward to meeting some of y'all soon.